Welcome! In this channel, I'll share with you tips and ideas on how to make your very own easy and affordable home decor. We'll reuse, makeover, upcycle, old furniture, household items, and even gifts you receive from friends and relatives and you don't know what to do with. We'll also use secondhand pieces that you may have picked up from yard sales, garage sales, cardboard sales, Gikomba, or mtush near you. I will also share my very own life hacks and tips that I use every day in my home and in my life. If these are the kind of videos you're interested in, if you'd like to learn how to make your own home decor, if you'd like to learn how I do in mine, please press the subscribe button and the notification button, and we'll see you on my next video. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it yourself. So we're seeing you on the next video, right? God bless you. Barakatele.